Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. When working with Python and pytest in Visual Studio Code, vscode, you might encounter issues where the module is not found, leading to failed test runs. This tutorial will guide you through troubleshooting these issues, including common causes and their solutions. Prerequisites. 1. Python installed. Ensure that you have Python installed on your system. 2. VS Code installed. Ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed. 3. Python extension. Make sure you have the Python extension for VS Code installed. 4. Pytest installed. Ensure that you have pytest installed in your working environment, virtual environment or globally. Step 1. Verify the environment. 1. Check Python interpreter. Open the command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P. Type and select Python, select interpreter. Make sure the correct Python interpreter is selected. This should be the interpreter where pytest and your project dependencies are installed. 2. Check installed packages. Open a terminal in VS Code, Ctrl+, and run. This command will show you if pytest is installed in the current environment. Step 2. Structure your project correctly. Ensure your project is structured properly. A common structure is: in this structure, my_module is where your application code resides. Tests is where your test files are located. Step 3. Write your test code. Here's an example of a simple test in test_example.py. And an example implementation in example.py. Step 4. Running tests. 1. Open the terminal in VS Code. 2. Navigate to the root of your project, the directory above my_module and tests. 3. Run the tests with. If you encounter a module not found error, follow these troubleshooting steps. Common causes and solutions. 1. Incorrect import paths. Ensure that your import paths are correct. If you are getting a module not found error, double-check the module names and their locations. Solution: use relative imports or adjust your Python path. For example, 2. Python path not set. If you have a non-standard directory structure, you might need to set Python path. Solution: set the Python path in your terminal. For Windows, use. You can also set this in a .env file in your project root. 3. Virtual environment issues. If you're using a virtual environment, ensure it's activated. Solution: activate your virtual environment in the terminal. On Windows. On Mac OS/Linux. 4. VS Code settings. Sometimes, VS Code settings might interfere. Solution: check your workspace settings, .vscode/settings.json, for the following. Conclusion: by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues related to pytest and module not found errors in VS Code. If the problem persists, consider checking your console output for specific error messages and searching for those messages online for more tailored solutions. Happy testing!